Hi everybody, Stampin Sue Creates here. I'm here to go over some of the giveaways. So let me just log on my phone, you know the routine, we have to log on to our phones. Let's see what y'all are seeing, if I may be upside down or whatever I'm doing here. Hopefully I'm live, trying to find myself. Alright, yeah, I look pretty good. What do you think, I look good? Who's here? Who's that? Betty. Hi Michelle. Hi Betty. How are ya? How's it going? Give a few minutes just for some people to come in. Hi, Preston. He's probably like, oh, what does he call me? Nima. Nima. I look great. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. But I have some giveaways to give. World Card Making Day was really a lot of fun. All I have to tell you is when I was done with it, I was like totally exhausted. I kind of, what did I do? I went downstairs, I had a little something to eat, and started watching TV. Well, I didn't get very far with the TV. Mima. Oh. Preston calls me Mima. I guess it's something from Boss Baby. I don't know. It was a lot of fun, but it was a lot of work, but and I don't even feel like I really did a whole lot. So sorry, I keep looking down because I'm looking at the comments. Hey Lisa, working on birthday cards today. Well, that's fabulous. Still working on those cards. I don't know if you saw my post yesterday. I was inspired to finally get off the package to the True Friends Animal Rescue. So I boxed up all the cards that I had to donate to them and boxed up all the dog bandanas, and so that went priority mail in the mail today, so they should be receiving that. Then I started going through cards and I'm like, yes, I have a lot of cards. I mean, if you can see behind me, I have a lot of stuff, but I wanted to finally get some cards together that I can send off to Send a Smile today, which is that cancer group. I thought, what a better time than now to go ahead and do that. So I'm in the process of writing those up because you have to write a little something inside them, and I'll send them off to them. So hopefully sometime this week. But there is going to be an announcement that I'm going to post tomorrow, something that Stampin' Up! Is doing. And after we made all those cards on World Card Making Day, so now it's time to World Card Sending Week. So now's the time to take those cards and send them off in the mail. I mean, the Postal Service is going to be working overtime for all of us demonstrators that are going to be sending all these cards, and customers and everyone else. So it's really fun. It's I have a girl that they had us demonstrators sign up, go on a list to sign up, and you send to the person on the list above you, and you could have been paired up with somebody from Japan. It could have been anywhere because we're all over different countries. So I happen to be, the girl above me was from Texas, and the girl below me was from Texas. So I'm sending to Texas, and I'm getting from Texas. So I'll be sure to share that when I get it. I sent that card out today too. So it's just fun. It's really, I was really amazed at the get-together, how many people, how many demonstrators, and how many customers, and how many people got involved with it. I think this is the first year that it's been such a great hoopla, and it's time for us to start, going back to the days where we write something. I had an incident at work today. Fun to get someone in Tennessee, not far from Jerry's family. Oh, that's great. This girl I've been dealing with at work from another company that she keeps sending these faxes, and I keep trying to call to get to talk to her, and she sends a fax, and nobody talks to anybody anymore. So it's time to get back to those days where, sending a text is nice, sending an email is nice, but it's just also nice to be holding on to a card in your hand. So I will be posting information on that because Stampin' Up! Is looking to send 50,000 cards. So everyone is counted. So I'm going to be doing a tally to see. I want all of you guys to let me know how many cards you're sending out, how many I'm sending out. And there's going to be a form that I'll fill out through Stampin' Up! The beginning of next week as to how many cards are, you hear a voice? My voice? Oh, hear a voice. Okay, I gotcha. How many cards are going to be sent out? And I mean, there's 50,000 demonstrators, so very easily this is going to hit. I have a goal of 50 cards for my little group here. I know I've sent out probably more than that, and I'm packaging up all of my little goodies. I'm a little behind on sending out the thank yous for people that have ordered from me, and the little goodies. I'm waiting for them to come. And yeah, it's just getting back to the basics. So anyhow, okay, I chit-chatted enough, and those of you that are coming in, be sure to say something. If you're watching on the replay, be sure to type in #replay so that I know that you are here. And if I announce your name as a winner, please contact me if I don't already have your mailing address, so that I can get your mailing address and get your fun prize out to you. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 prizes to give away, so I think that's fun. And the way you got a prize was if you attended, one of my online sessions, you made a comment, or if you did a replay that you left a comment, if you shared, if you participated in any of the card challenges. All of those got you entries, and I have a basket here with lots of entries in here. So, but if you missed out on that, if you don't, unfortunately not everybody can win tonight, but if you don't, I still have the other promotion going on where take a picture of 5 cards that you created, in one picture. Now, I think there's some issues with posting on my Stampin Sue Creates, so I have the other card group that I'm referring you to, and people can post on that. I've been trying to change that. I have no idea. Maybe it's just the type of Facebook page I have for Stampin Sue Creates that people can't seem to share their cards. Or if you have issues with being able to post a card, send it to me in a private message or a text, your photo, and I'll post it for you. But you have until next Saturday to the 12th to participate. So everyone that participates, you will be entered in a drawing to win a $20 shopping spree. So I think that's a great fun thing to do too. So make 5 cards, take a picture of them, send them to me. You're entered in the drawing. And I'll do a Facebook Live drawing for that on, I believe it's the 14th, next Monday. So I had a few little late entries last night, and I believe it was like something to midnight. I mean, got in by the deadline, so your name's in the basket. Okay. All right, so here we go. So you all guys, you ready? Everybody has their, fingers, eyes, toes, noses, everything crossed. All right, we're going to go ahead with the giveaways. Do they have to be different cards? I've been doing duplicates today. No, if you just make 5 cards. No, they could be, the same. They can be, whatever. 5 cards or 5 cards, if you made them. So, I'm really lax with this. I mean, it's just something to get you to create cards. And then don't forget you want to send those cards, too, after you create them. But no, it could be 5 cards. It could be paper pumpkin. It could be, as long as it's Stampin' Up, of course. Because I'm a Stampin' Up demo, so I want to see what you're creating with the Stampin' Up products. And by you sending me the pictures, I'm assuming it's okay for me to post them with your name that you created them. If you have an issue with me posting them, let me know. Like, please don't post, for whatever reason. But otherwise, I'm going to assume that it's okay to post your creation, so because everybody else wants to see too. Okay, so let's get going. So first off, I have a pack of 2 markers. You might have seen me do an unboxing of these. This is the Stampin' Right markers. They're Coastal Cabana and Lovely Lipstick. So that's the first one, and let me just shake them up. Shaking them up, and I'm not looking. The first one is Amy Skursky. So Amy, congratulations, and I know I have your address. So let me just get my glue dots out. Oh good, software update will be auto-installed later tonight. Oh wonderful, isn't that great? that, they can just go ahead and auto-install software updates. So, Amy, I got these for you. Now, I know some of you are coming to my event on Saturday, if it's okay, because I'm not getting the goodies for the giveaway for the thank you gifts until Wednesday. So if it's okay, and you're coming on Saturday to the event, I can just hold them off for you. So I know Amy's supposed to come to the event on Saturday. Okay, great. Next one. We have the 2019-2021 in color faceted dots. So those are fun. And if you don't like the color, you can always use your Stampin' Blends to make them whatever color you want. So that's the next drawing. And next one is, we have Nancy Volts. Nancy Volts. Woohoo, Nancy, congratulations. And I know I have a package that's going to be going out to you. So I'm going to put a little sticky on here. So congratulations, Nancy. All right. Next up we're going to do some bling. We have some red rhinestone basic jewels. Woo! These are great. I love these. And Kathy Snyder, my girlfriend. Congratulations, Kathy. She's going off to see Donnie in Vegas. Donnie Osmond, her true love. Kathy, I don't know. I'm not sure I have your address, so I'll send you a message for that. Okay. Next up, I don't know. Should I do the stamp set or should I do the other goodie next? First person that answers that question, that'll be what I do. I have a stamp set and I have another goodie. Somebody pick. Somebody yell it out. I'll watch in the comments. 2 more prizes. Come on. Somebody answer me. I know there's a delay. Stamp set. Very good, Betty. Okay. So we have a stamp set to give away. I'm giving away the Over the Moon. Look how fun that is. And incorporate this with your Christmas cards. You could do so many cute things. I've been playing around with that. So Over the Moon stamp set. And goes to Fran. Congratulations, Fran. Over the Moon. Let me know if you already have this. The embellishments, I mean, we could always use more. But, so I'm going to put her name on there, and that's for Fran. Congratulations. I'm so glad that there's been multiple winners. I was kind of nervous thinking, what if one person won everything? But that's the way it goes. All right. Okay, I have one more goodie to give away. I don't have it unwrapped. I could unwrap it. I mentioned this the other day. This is the Tipsy. Let me take them out. He's gray. It's a gray Tipsy. Now, you use this with your Tombow. So I'm also including a Tombow with this. So you would take off this green cap, and it just sets right in there. And you could keep it right on your desk. You don't have to worry about putting the cap back on. I mean, it's good. And this way, your glue always comes down to the bottom. So I love this little tchotchke. I ordered a bunch of them. And so the next drawing will be for the Tipsy with the mono adhesive glue. All right, so here we go. Drum roll. Da 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 da. And Betty! Woo! Betty, congratulations! I know you're here, so that's why I'm so excited. Yay, Betty! Congratulations! I'll get that off to you as well. I was going to ask about that. I used a candle holder, but love the one you have. Well, there you go, Betty. Now you got one of your own. Hopefully that matches your room. So I'll have that all packaged up, and I'll get that out to you in the mail by the end of this week. And stick your name on there. You wanted that. See that? Good things come. Good things come. So, all right. Well, we have Amy, we have Nancy, Kathy, Fran, and Betty. Everybody won some fabulous, fun little gifts. I mean, it's not much, but it's something, because I just want to recognize and thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedules to be able to join me and to help support me in my business, whether you're a demonstrator or if you're a customer of mine. But don't forget, the winning continues. The winning continues by sending out those cards and getting cards in the mail, along with also the $20 shopping spree that I have to offer too. So you still have time to get in on that. And I'm going to be live, the Facebook Live, on Thursday. I have a fabulous idea, and I'm very excited about it. The only problem is the one item that I want to use for it, I've had it, I've ordered it, brand new product, well, new product that it's, not used. I don't know where I put it. So I'm going to be doing some hunting and some prayers to St. Anthony that I find it, because I'm so excited about what I have to share with you. So if that doesn't happen, well, then we'll come up with something else for Thursday Facebook Live. 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Be sure to be here. Be sure to like, comment, and schnoozle other people to come and join us. You know how that is? I saw that face on. You know how that is? You buy things and you put it somewhere, and then you clean. And I mean, I'm better off keeping things, although it kind of looks messy behind me, but that's my fabric, like right there. That's my fabric. Some of my fabric. But I'm better off not cleaning, because then I know where I can find everything. So, everyone, congratulations to all the winners. Again, you're all winners in my book. Everybody is winners by just being there, sending cards and doing what you enjoy, doing what you love, and sharing it with other people. I mean, that's what it's all about. So anyhow, I'm going to let you all go now. You go back to whatever it is you were doing. I kind of was snoozing and was worried I was going to sleep through this, because one of these days I'm going to. But I'm going to clean up my desk and try to find those items that I can prepare for Thursday evening. Those of you coming Saturday, I'm looking forward to that. It's 1 p.m. We're doing the framed art. So that's going to be fun. We have a full house for that, and I'm really excited about that. It's something new that I'm offering, and there's going to be more to come, seasonal ones. So if you're not able to attend and you're still interested in any future ones, I mean, we can do a class in the mail kind of thing. The only thing is you would have to provide your own 12 by 12 paper, because it's very expensive to ship that. But I can ship all the contents and do a video with you, or do it live, or whatever you want to do. Card class in the mail, don't forget. The Memories and More, Night Before Christmas. That is going on until October 11th, 10th. Check on the Facebook page. I have everything posted along with my demonstrator website. If you need to order anything, I'd so appreciate it. And I have a host code posted on there. And you get some freebies by ordering from me too. So check all that out, and be sure to use the host code, whether it's, a $10 item or more than that, because that's a way that I know that you're interested in getting the freebies. Otherwise, if you don't use the host code, I don't know that you are interested in the freebies. So did I forget anything? Well, if I did, you know me, I'll be posting again. So be sure to be looking for the information on the World Card Sending Week. And I'll be posting that tomorrow. And, of course, anything else that comes available. I've been seeing a lot of reviews on the new paper trimmer. I haven't ordered mine yet. I'm still kind of waiting. I don't know what I'm waiting for, but I'm waiting. That looks really fabulous. It's open for new demonstrators to purchase that now. It's a $25 paper cutter. And I've just been seeing a lot of positive results from that. I already saw Stampin' Up! The Perfectly Posy. Was that the color of that? That purple color that was not available. That's currently available. Stampin' Up's already shipped my ink pad and refill, and I didn't even have to do anything. They just, if you ordered it early, they're just automatically shipping them out. So that's available. Great time to join my team. $99, you get $125 worth of product of your choice, including some of the new things that are coming out. So message me, let me know if you're interested in that. Otherwise, I'm going to head off. So have a good night, everybody. Thank you again so much. Congratulations to the winners. And we'll see you back here on Thursday night, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, everyone. Bye for now.